And the upper Sea Master hits the ground in the early part alongside Princess Jacqueline. Around the outside, Mount Cherie. Running by the wheel is Grey Angel. Showing speed now is Preciosa, then followed by Money Bank Gundam, while State Witness is running in a tail of the fielder. Out straight they travel. Grey Angel running on the outside. Princess Jacqueline in between horses. Sea Master. 4 lengths back now. Mount Cherie, then followed by Preciosa. One moving around the outside now is Gundam, then followed by Money Bank. Long way back to State Witness. Down the half mile they travel, marching stride, Grey Angel, Princess Jacqueline. 4 lengths back now, Sea Master, Mount Cherie on the outside. Gundam also coming in. Inside the last 600, Grey Angel holding on with a half blank lead, followed by Princess Jacqueline. Mount Cherie coming closer, and here comes Gundam. Preciosa also joining them now as they hit the final turn with Grey Angel still in front by some 3, followed by Princess Jacqueline. Mount Cherie on the outside. It's still Grey Angel, Mount Cherie on the outside, Grey Angel, Mount Cherie, and finally, close one, Grey Angel, Mount Cherie, Preciosa, Gundam, Princess Jacqueline,